Did you already upgrade it?
No, I haven't come since I got my telephone.
How can I help you?
This is the receipt I got from my
I wanted to see if you guys could test this because it's not holding the charge for more than maybe 3 minutes.
Okay. We can do that. So let me have you fill out a form here. This will be your claim check.
Okay.
Hold on to that. Gotta have that when you pick it up.
Okay.
Fill the rest of this out and we'll do a battery test on it and everything and give you a call tomorrow, okay?
Okay. And then what happens if it is something wrong with the battery?
If it's something wrong with the battery and it doesn't have, it's not in warranty, it's $95.99 plus tax for a new battery.
Okay.
And we'll let you know tomorrow when we go through everything.
How often does that happen?
Batteries last for about 3 to 4 years.
Okay.
So we'll check everything on it, we'll let you know.
Okay. And then if there's something wrong with it, what if it's not the battery?
We'll figure all that out tonight, tomorrow, and we'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll give you a call, give you the whole scoop of what's going on with it and
Okay.
everything.
So if it's like completely gone, is there like a credit towards a new one?
Yeah, we do a trade-in program where you can trade this in and get a trade-in discount towards the price of a new one. And that varies anywhere from 20 to 30%, depending on the model that you want to trade in for.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm gonna
Which
fill
one
this
is the
out.
one that replaced that model?
This is a 6, so anything above it. So.
Email or just phone number is good?
You don't have to give it.
Okay.
Okay.
And I got 2 of these.
Oh, let's take the one that matches this one, 60.
Okay, so that.
Yep, hold on to that one then. And we'll give you a call tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was actually pretty easy. So, well, actually, let's check these
About
out.
30 minutes for this guy, about 40 minutes for this guy.
This one is cool. This is really what I need. The Big Daddy.
I don't have carpets at home. I use that one for a small box.
And this is the
Then
one that I
this
have
tiny
now.
floors is where I use it. Stone like tile.
You'd be better off getting an absolute version, which is this one here, because it comes with this kind of hammer.
So that was pretty easy. I hope I was able to. That was pretty easy. I hope I was able to pick all that up on camera. So essentially what they do is you get you a little ticket, take this ticket in there, you let them know that you're having a problem with your battery. They'll check the battery for you. After they check the battery, he's gonna give me a call tomorrow to let me know if it's repairable or not. It could be $95 to replace it. If it's completely shot, they will give me 20 to 30% off the cost of a new one. I can't get my seatbelt on. There we go. But I will say he had that thing down to a science so much. This ain't their first rodeo. There's a lot of people must be taking those, taking their vacuums in there to get replaced. Because he sure went through the whole spiel with me. Next location, you trying to go to Mex. Then we might go to, well, my kidding might. Then we're gonna go to Restoration Outlet.
You're going to go there first because they're going to close.
Are you trying to shut Mex down?
I'm just saying, look what time it is, boo. What time is it?
Hi. Good, you? Okay, thank you. This got some discoloration to it, but this will actually be perfect.
For where?
I'm looking for something for the living room. Yes? Okay.
Any questions, let me know, okay?
Perfect, thank you.
You're so welcome.
This This is pretty. We're gonna be moving upstairs. I'm giving him my big beauty room.
You giving up the big beauty room?
Yep.
That's gonna be his office?
That's gonna be his man cave.
Hi.
Hi. Listen, actually, I really like these, so. She about to have a heart attack. She can't believe I'm about to get that man that room. I can't either. I'm having doubts. This is, everybody is looking for this. These are gorgeous. That's pretty. I will try to find a dupe before I spend that much on just that though.
Put light in there. That room for everybody to sit on.
That's what's there now.
See how that went over?
That's because of who's sitting on it.
So you gave it up in order to get him out of that room so you don't have to see his mess.
That's not why. I gave it to him because he really needs a space.
But I thought he had the basement.
It's the base, the lower level isn't finished. I really want a new bed. They got a lot of stuff in here right now.
I don't have nowhere to put it. 'Cause it's pretty.
Ooh, this is pretty. This is actually very, very pretty.
Cold in here.
Yeah. Damn. Ooh, what do you think about these? These might be too big for
Where?
the bedroom.
I didn't do it.
Trying to back up so y'all can see it. It's almost like exactly what I'm looking for. I have to think about that one. You love their armoires. They got really pretty armoires. They got a lot of stuff today. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. I love these French clasps. I'm gonna do these in the kitchen. That's why I seen here because it's not working. It's working, but it wasn't working. Ooh, it's easy.
It's great to be tight too.
Yeah, that's why. That's really pretty too. What big brown one? This is pretty.
You said we can't buy no more chairs.
I don't care what you say. This is really cool. Retro.
I was gonna say, doesn't it match your other stuff?
And I like this. So they have a nice amount. They used to have like tons of chandeliers over here. I wonder what that's about. Like why they don't have any chandeliers. This is like outdoor patio stuff. It's on sale. I'm about to get my I really like those nightstands. They were $8.6. Ooh, wait.
I like the
wait,
table.
wait. Which one? They do got some nice round tables over here. Let's see.
Very nice. You found it?
I'm trying to figure out if it's supposed to be that way or not. Now this is cool. Woo! This is the thing you gotta look out for at the outlets. Like that's crazy damage.
You just got here today.
What's today? Tuesday? These stools are nice. I'm about to grab my iPad. I just want to grab my iPad because I'm trying to keep myself honest because there is a certain style and look I'm going for in our bedroom. Got some end tables, not end tables, nightstands. Some nightstands that are gorgeous. Like these nightstands are really pretty. However, do they go with the mood board that I created for the bedroom? If it doesn't go, it doesn't make sense to buy it, right? So, this is the mood board to remind myself of what we're incorporating. And I don't think that they really go with that. Like it doesn't actually. This is Bohemian. This is more elegant, which is always what I'm going for. So if anything were to go this one here, which is only $6.90, then I would have to commit to a color. And they don't have to match perfectly. They could be eclectic. Actually, does that one go with this one? Ma, do you think this is that same color? I can't tell. This is St. James.
Yep, the same color as the one I was looking at.
Which one were you looking at?
This online.
Not that. This.
No.
Mm,
No. They don't have to be matchy-matchy.
they don't have to be matchy-matchy, but they need to be somewhat. Let's ask her if they can move it next to each other. It's what? Dang. Sure is. Well, what do you think about this one, though? What do you think about this one?
I do like it. But I was just showing you the other one had the little bump on it. I thought you liked these though.
But that's why I got my iPad out. I think they're pretty, but they don't go with what I'm trying to achieve. This is the style I'm going for. That's bohemian. Boho chic. I really, really like these, but they sold out everywhere. At least last time I checked. I don't know. Maybe I should. I don't know. I'm not gonna get it.
You ain't actually mad when you love.
I mean, I do. It is what I'm looking for, though, because I really want the drawer and then the drawer feature and then this little pocket. $6.90. Huh? I'm glad I did have my iPad with me because I really did like those brown nightstands that they had in there, but they don't go with the style of the mood board that I created for the bedroom. So it would have been completely different. It wouldn't have made any sense, and then I would have been building a whole new room around these nightstands or trying to sell them. And I'm trying to really stick to my plans. So even like the little gray one was cute, like it has all the features that I'm looking for. Like I really want something with like a drawer and then like a shelf underneath, but I wasn't like crazy about it. It was an okay price, so I can go back home, look online and see if there's anything else in that price bracket that I can maybe get from someplace else. $6.90 wasn't awful, but it's also like $6.90 for a nightstand. Like, it could be a lot more economical. So now we're gonna go to Mex. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday tomorrow.
Oh God, it is Taco Tuesday, so it's probably crowded.
You chose it.
You mentioned it 14 times.
When?
A couple weeks ago, you talked about it.
I don't remember that.
You don't remember that?
No. I remember mentioning it once to your son.
Oh yeah, I remember that conversation.
Right. And then he said, ugh, that sounds disgusting. Just off the name. Didn't know anything else, just the name of it. Let's see it. That's our sign. See y'all later.
Mm-hmm.